welcome back to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Tuesday, December 10th, 2024.
I'm Marco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Python TV.
Pythons, who's ready to saddle up? Join Python TV at Texas Roadhouse today
from 4 to 10 p.m. Now here are your daily announcements. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow when we're using updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!